Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set music share to automatically disconnect when nothing is playing on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on connections, then tap on Bluetooth, then tap on the option key, and then tap on advanced from the menu. Next, tap on the left hand side panel on music share, and then tap on disconnect when nothing is playful. And in here you can choose 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or don't disconnect. And after that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, another way to do it is by swiping down to open up your quick settings. In quick settings, you can touch and hold on music share. And then in here, you can also set when to disconnect when nothing is played. So that's it. So from the pop, you can choose don't disconnect if you don't want for it to ever disconnect. Finally, tap on the home button. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.